Hello students of class 9, welcome to our geography period. Let us continue the chapter precipitation. We are on page number 47 in second column. Fog, dew and frost. Children, you must have seen fog. You must have also seen dew and also sometimes witnessed frost or seen frost on television in movies. So do you think that these all three are various types of precipitation? Ask this question to yourself. The answer to this question is no. They are not any forms of precipitation. That means they do not fall down from the sky. So how do they occur? What are the circumstances of their occurrence? Let us study them today. When the condensation or solidification of the water vapor in the atmosphere occurs near the Earth's surface, then we see fog, dew or frost. The temperature of the layers of the air near the surface of the Earth reduces. As temperature reduces, water vapor condenses. In this process, vapor turns into microscopic water particles and float in the air. When the density of these droplets in the air increases, fog occurs. Now the next one. So I will explain you fog in the next session. Today I'll try to explain you the formation or the occurrence of dew drops and frost. When moisture-laden air near the Earth's surface comes into contact with very cold objects, condensation of the vapor takes place. They turn into very small water droplets. These water droplets stick to the surface of the cold objects. This is called dew. So, what does this mean? So, let me tell you children, when do we see the dew drops? We often see dew drops in winter season. Can we see dew drops on grass in summer season? No. Why? Because excessive temperature will dry up all the humidity, all the water vapor present in the air. Therefore, there are no chances of seeing dew drops in summer season. Do we see dew drops in rainy season? How do we know? Because it's rainy season. There will be rain. If it rains, then there will be water droplets everywhere. So, we will get confused. So, again, let me tell you that dew drops cannot be seen in rainy season. So, in which season then? In winter season. So, how do we see them? So, let me tell you that in winter season, the temperature is pretty cold. The temperature is less. But the sun is there during the day up in the sky. So, the heat or the rays of the sun will continue to fall on the ground as long as the sun is there up in the sky. So, during the day, the earth gets heated up. In the evening, after the sunset, the earth still continues to remain warm. Until what time? Till 12 or 1 midnight. And then after that, the earth starts radiating heat. After the earth starts radiating heat, the air is everywhere. So the air which is close to the surface of the earth will start getting warm, and then the warm air will come in contact with all those objects which have become cold. The objects which are very close to the surface of the earth will be considering it as grass. So grass will be very, very cold after the sunset, right? So grass is very cold now. But the warm air has started blowing after 1 or 2 in the morning, which is night. Then this warm air will come in contact with the cold grass, and then condensation will happen, and that's when dew drops occur. And therefore, in the early mornings, one can see dew drops on objects like or on things like grass or on window panes, on on vehicles glasses and many more. I hope you've understood how dew drops are seen and how they are formed. I will explain you about the formation of frost in my next video. Thank you.